Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again, click on Font Size and Style. And last but not least, operate this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. Then click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!